An EOTS performance test for a drone refers to the evaluation of the electro-optical targeting system, EOTS, integrated into the drone. EOTS is a type of electro-optical/infrared (EO/IR) sensor system used for surveillance, target acquisition, tracking, and laser designation. These systems are critical for both civilian and military drones involved in reconnaissance, target tracking, and precision engagement. Key components of EOTS. Performance testing. The performance test of a drone's EOTS typically assesses 1. Imaging capability. Resolution, ability to capture detailed images at various ranges. Day-night, performance, quality of images under varying light conditions using EO, daylight, and IR thermal sensors. 2. Target detection and identification range and accuracy of identifying objects, vehicles, persons, targets. Minimum target size detection from specific altitudes. 3. Tracking stability, ability to maintain focus on a moving object, performance during drone maneuvers, e.g., yaw, pitch, speed changes. 4. Laser designation and range finding if applicable. Accuracy in laser marking or range finding for target designation. Range and reliability under varying weather conditions. 5. Environmental performance stability in temperature extremes, vibration, humidity, or electromagnetic interference scenarios. 6. Geolocation accuracy, precision of latitude, longitude, coordinates of observed targets. Relevance in UAV operations military, used for ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, laser-guided munitions support, and battle damage assessment. Commercial/security, asset monitoring, firefighting support, border surveillance, etc. Sample test parameters, typically included in specs or results. Detection range, e.g., human-sized target detectable at 5 kilometers. Resolution, e.g., 1080 PEO, 640 by 512 IR thermal laser rangefinder accuracy, less than 1 meter error at 10 kilometers. Sensor FOV, field of view, narrow for zoom, wide for scouting.